Oh, that's still dirty. Yep, that did not get clean, did it?
These ones are really not a yuck.
No, those are just wet.
This one is not really yuck.
That's just staying in there.
Oh, this one's going here.
Mm-hmm.
These ones going here.
Yeah. Good.
Then copy. Then copy. Where? There. Another cup. There's some more spoons here.
Yeah.
One spoon above there. Here's some.
Those are spoons?
Yeah.
Or what are they? Oh, that's a spoon.
Yeah. These are.
She sorted out all the silverware, didn't you? I just laid it there on a pile and you sorted it out. I wish the counter wasn't so messy right now. Good job.
There's some more.
More cups. You're a good helper girl, aren't you?
This is still yuck.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that is still yuck.
Yeah.
What's going on with the dishwasher? Gross.
Not still yuck.
That's not still yuck. I'm glad you check them out. You do a better job than Daddy does. Okay.
Still yuck.
Here's some more.
Here's some more. One more.
Oops. Good. You're so fast.
Some more notes.
There you go.
There's some more cups.
More cups.
Still another one.
Mm-hmm.
There's one cup, and there's one more with.
Good job. We already loaded the soapy. Let's get our bag box.
Yeah, I really get the more.
Good job. Can you say how old you are?
How old are you?
No, how old are you?
How old are you?
No, tell me how old you are.
3.
3?
No.
No, you're
2.
2. 2. Like that. Good job. You want me to help you? Can you go like this? Put your thumb like this. Oh, here. Put 2 fingers up like this. Oh, put all your fingers out like that. Put all your fingers out like that. Okay, now put these 2 fingers down and hold them down with your thumb. There, 2. Perfect. Here, put your thumb down there. There you go. 2. Dos. Dos.
There's
Tengo 2 años.
something of Daniels.
2 años?
Yeah.
Dos. Okay, thank you for helping me load the dishwasher. Can you give me a huggy? I mean, empty the dishwasher. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, you love doing the dishes, don't you? I hope that stays that way all your life. Okay, thanks.
Now I need to go.
Yeah, this is the problem here. Okay, wait, whoa. I gotta load the dishwasher first, okay? You want a treat for helping me? Lily girl? You want a treat for helping me? Yeah.